Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube niches and how to choose the perfect one that will skyrocket your channel's success. So if you're a content creator looking to turn your passion into profit, stick around because I've got all the tips and tricks you need to know. Let's get started. The power of a profitable niche. Choosing the right niche for your YouTube channel is like laying a strong foundation for a skyscraper. It's crucial for your channel's growth and longevity. So, what exactly is a niche? Well, in simple terms, it's a specific topic or area of interest within a broader industry. The key is to find a niche that aligns with your passion, expertise, and has the potential for profitability. But how do we do that? Let's find out. Before you can monetize your channel, you need to find a niche that has an audience hungry for content. Start by brainstorming topics that you're truly passionate about. Think of your hobbies, skills, and knowledge areas. Then, dive into the depths of YouTube and conduct thorough research. Look for channels within your potential niches and analyze their performance. Check out the number of subscribers, views, engagement, and the overall popularity of their content. Trends and demand. While it's crucial to choose a niche you're passionate about, it's equally important to ensure there's a demand for that type of content. Stay updated with the latest trends and analyze the search volume for different keywords related to your niche. Using tools like Google Trends and keyword research platforms can give you valuable insights into what people are searching for. This will help you identify niches with high audience demand. Competition analysis. Competition in any niche is inevitable, but that doesn't mean you can't stand out and succeed. Analyze your potential competitors and check their content quality, engagement, and growth rate. Identify their strengths and weaknesses and see how you can offer something unique to your audience. Remember, competition is healthy, and it means there's a market for your content. Embrace it and strive to deliver even better value. Monetization. Finally, let's talk about the bread and butter of YouTube channels, monetization. Look for niches that have the potential for multiple income streams. This could include ad revenue, brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, or even creating digital products. Remember, the more ways you can monetize your content, the higher your chances of generating a sustainable income. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like. My next video will focus on optimizing your YouTube channel using SEO strategies and crafting an appealing channel.